Hi guys, it's Charles again. Just wanted to share a story with you guys quickly. Yeah, I grew up in a hard environment. To give it to you straight, my father hit my mother a lot, and we saw a lot when we were children. We're four children, and we lived in squatter camps. Man, we lived on the streets. We lived in caravan parks. We lived in cars. I lived at my grandmother's. Man, you name it. I've done drugs. Some of our family members, my two brothers and my sister, ended up in prison. My father was in prison. So yeah, the thing I want to tell you guys is I watched a lot of people make a lot of mistakes in their life. I saw how it can go the wrong way. But here's what I learned: your past doesn't own you. Where you come from doesn't predict your future. You can choose different, and you can build better. If I can do it, so can you. And if you have any question, guys, don't hesitate to ask, comment, or reply in your comments. Thanks, man.